I heard a strange tapping sound from my window one morning and decided to walk towards the sound.
It's okay. I was interested in that machine, but you're not using it right
Oh,
now.
I actually turned it off because I saw that.
Oh, no.
And I did not want to blow out your eardrums. I was actually being considerate.
That's very kind of you.
I try. I do try.
What is it called?
It's a tamper. It
Okay.
just packs.
Yeah.
So the real name
it's
is
scary.
The real name is a plate compactor.
Okay.
That's the actual name you'll find on the label.
I heard it, and I was trying to imagine what it was, you know. I said, it must be this big machine dragging something along, you know. Are you planning to use it again, or are you done for the
I
day?
will turn it right on for you. You seem excited.
It's the
Leave it on idle for now. Leave it on idle for now.
Are there strange sounds on your street?